Hey there, fitness family. Welcome back to the channel. Guess what? I've got something today that's going to completely change how you think about building muscle. What if I told you that the difference between your current physique and your dream body isn't just in the gym, but in your gut? That's right, while you've been focusing on sets, reps, and protein shakes, there's a microscopic army inside you that could be either helping or sabotaging your gains. I'm talking about your gut bacteria, trillions of tiny organisms that might be the missing piece in your muscle-building puzzle. I see you putting in those hours at the gym, the dedication, the sweat, the sacrifice. But what if all that hard work isn't giving you the results you deserve because your gut health is holding you back? Trust me, I've been there, plateaued, frustrated, trying everything but still not seeing the gains. That changed when I discovered the microbiome-muscle connection. Let's break this down simply. Your gut contains trillions of bacteria, some good, some not so good. These little guys don't just help digest your food. New research shows they directly influence how your body builds muscle. When scientists at the University of California studied athletes, they discovered something amazing. The athletes had higher levels of a bacteria called Veillonella that helped their bodies process lactic acid, you know, that burning sensation you feel during intense workouts. These bacteria literally take that burning feeling and turn it into energy your muscles can use. But it gets better. A 2023 study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that specific gut bacteria actually help break down the protein you eat into the exact amino acids your muscles need for repair and growth. It's like having tiny personal chefs inside you, preparing the perfect muscle-building meal from the food you eat. Here's what blew my mind. When researchers gave one group of mice certain probiotics and another group none, guess what happened? The probiotic group gained 15% more muscle mass doing the exact same workouts. Same effort, dramatically different results. So, which gut bacteria should you roll out the red carpet for? Let me introduce you to the MVPs of muscle recovery. First up is Lactobacillus plantarum, LP01. This powerhouse has been shown to reduce recovery time between workouts. Think about it. Faster recovery means more quality training sessions, which equals more growth opportunity. Then there's Bifidobacterium longum. Studies show this bacteria reduces inflammation throughout your body. Less inflammation means less wasted energy fighting soreness and more resources available for building those muscles. My personal favorite is Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG. This champion helps your body absorb protein more efficiently. That expensive protein powder you're taking, this bacteria makes sure more of it actually reaches your muscles instead of going to waste. And don't forget about Bacillus coagulans. This one's special because it survives stomach acid better than most probiotics and has been directly linked to increased power output during training. More power means more stimulus for growth. I wouldn't just drop all this knowledge without giving you a clear path forward. Here's a simple 7-day gut-friendly meal plan that I've personally used to transform my gut health and supercharge my gains. Listen, I believe in you and your fitness journey. You've already shown amazing commitment by being here and learning this information that most people don't even know about. Starting today, I want you to commit to this 7-day plan. Not someday, not tomorrow, today. Your gut bacteria can begin changing within 24 hours of changing your diet. That means you could be building a better internal environment for muscle growth by this time tomorrow. Add one fermented food to your diet daily. Take a quality probiotic with at least 30 billion CFUs that includes the strains I mentioned. Cut back on processed foods and artificial sweeteners that kill beneficial gut bacteria. Remember this, every time you feed yourself, you're also feeding the trillions of tiny allies that can help transform your physique. Choose wisely. Choose foods that nourish both you and them. The strongest bodybuilders don't just train their visible muscles, they cultivate their invisible allies too. Be one of the few who understands this deeper level of physical development. I believe your best physique is still ahead of you, and it starts in your gut. Now go take action, and I'll see you in the next video stronger than ever before.
Follow at Health Stack for daily tips to build muscle, shed pounds, and own your wellness journey. Let's grow stronger together.